People often ask me, how do you manage to get so much done in a day? So, guys, I am someone in my late 30s who has a very intense full time job. I often work 12 to 14 hours a day. I travel often for work, and yet I manage to get a lot of things done. I work out very regularly, I eat reasonably healthy meals, I create YouTube content, as you can see. I also keep learning new things. I read extensively. I'm constantly doing some certification, some kind of adding some skill sets to my profile. So how do I manage to do all of these things? The answer is not some kind of motivation or some crazy morning routine. No, the real answer is actually micro habits. I have realized that productivity actually doesn't come from some big dramatic changes. It keeps coming from small repeatable things that you can consistently do every single day. So instead of waiting for big blocks of time, I wait for small pockets of time throughout my day where I utilize my day for doing whatever I please. So for example, if I have 20 minutes before dinner, then I'll just use the 20 minutes for a quick workout. If I'm sitting in a cab or waiting at the airport, I don't mind just to scroll Instagram or social media. Instead, I will probably read a few pages or edit my YouTube videos or just watch a 10-minute learning video for something that I'm interested in. Sometimes these 10 minutes of activities is actually enough to keep you going forward. You know, over the years you will realize that these small 10 minutes of duration small blocks of time are actually compounding, and in a year it's giving you great results. So for example, 10 minutes of reading actually results in dozens of books in a year. 10 minutes of learning something for a few days will actually add a new skill set. These short 20 minutes of workouts will actually build a fitness habit. It's not about doing everything in a single day, but about doing small little things every single day, which can actually result in a bigger impact. So if you feel you're too busy to build good habits, try this. Don't aim for 1 hour of activity, just get 10 minutes out of your day for anything that you want to do. Because guys, productivity is not about having more time, it's about using small pockets of time throughout the day to get great results.